In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple flowchart on ClickUp. Now, if you're looking to streamline your workflow or just make your processes clearer, a flowchart is an excellent tool to use. Fortunately, ClickUp makes it very easy. So let's dive right in and get started. Begin by navigating to your ClickUp workspace. It's important to choose the right space where you want your whiteboard to live because this will be your hub for creativity and brainstorming. Once you've found the ideal spot, hover your mouse over the space and you'll notice a small plus sign appearing. This is your gateway to adding new features. Click on the plus sign and select Whiteboards from the drop-down menu. Voila! You've now created a new whiteboard. Now, as you glance towards the bottom, you'll discover a menu filled with various options. These tools are what make the flowchart creation process so versatile and straightforward. To kick off your flowchart, select the Shapes option. This is where you can start drawing your first section, which serves as the foundation of your flowchart. Click to draw a shape, and you can easily insert any text inside it to label this section. Whether it's a start point, an action, or a decision, simply jot it down for clarity. An exciting feature you'll notice when you click on a shape is the presence of small dots around its edges. These dots are crucial because they allow you to create connections with other parts of your flowchart. By clicking one of these dots, you can link another shape, forming a seamless path or connection between different steps or ideas in your workflow. This ability to connect shapes ensures that your flowchart can grow organically as your ideas evolve. Now, for showcasing the relationships between different parts of your chart, the arrow tool comes in handy. By selecting the arrow, you can visually indicate the flow or progression from one part of your chart to another. This not only clarifies the sequence of steps, but also enhances the overall flow and readability of your chart, making it more informative for anyone who views it. And just like that, you've learned how to create a simple flowchart on ClickUp. With these basic tools at your disposal, you can begin efficiently outlining your processes, making communication clear and effective. Whether you're an individual planning a small project or part of a team organizing a major initiative, the flowchart can be a powerful ally in your productivity toolkit. So go ahead, try it out, and start organizing your workflows today.